In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your YouTube channel banner on your mobile phone. And this will work for both Android and iOS devices. So you can't actually do it from within the YouTube app itself. So what you need to do is go to a browser on your phone. And in this case, I have Google Chrome open, and then you just want to go to youtube.com. And now once you're on youtube.com, you want to go ahead and request the desktop site. If you're on an iPhone, it'll be like a little up arrow. You tap on that, hit desktop site. If you're on an Android device, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. And then at the bottom, it says desktop site. Tap on that. And once you're in the desktop mode, you just want to zoom in. And then at the top right of the screen where it shows your profile icon, go ahead and tap on that. And then you want to tap on your channel at the top. It'll take you to this screen, and then you want to tap on customize channel right at the top there. And once you're on this screen, you can zoom in again, go to the top, and there at the top menu bar, you want to click on branding. And the second option there is banner image. If you go ahead and tap on the upload button on the right of that, it's going to take you to your gallery, and you can go ahead and select the YouTube banner that you would like. So I have one on my phone already. It's just the one from my channel. I select it, I hit done. You can see if it's correct, and once you're happy with it, you just tap on done, and it now has updated to that channel banner. So that is how you change your YouTube channel banner on your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.